Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you watched my last video, we installed .NET, the SDK on our machines. Yeah, and in this video, we're basically going to install an extension that Microsoft recommends for building C# or .NET projects, right? So we basically go to the link here. So clicking on this link, so C# dev kit will take you here to this extension on VS Code, right? Okay, so we have this. We know this is what it looks like. So I'll go to navigate to my Visual Studio Code and open my extensions tab. Then I'll type C#. Okay, so C#, and okay, we see C# here. So this is the extension from Microsoft. So official C# extension from Microsoft, right? So we have another extension from Microsoft too, but I'll leave this one out for you to explore. But it looks very important. As you can see here, we have 22 million downloads, so you might want to take a look at that. But I'm just going to install this one that is on the official page. So we'll install this. So wait for it to install. And back in the documentation page, we have so let's say once we are done with that, and from here we already have .NET installed, right? So once we are done with that, we can create a C# project and try running it. Okay, so let's see if that's done. It's still extension is installed, and as I was saying, the C# extension with 22 million downloads was installed alongside the dev kit. So I mean, yeah, I'm happy. Okay, so we're creating a new C# project. So I'm navigating to my folder in the terminal, and I'm entering this command. So I'm basically going to copy this and paste it in here. So paste, and let's run this. Okay, so it's setting up my environment for me. So I have a new program here, .cs, so .C#, and so that's basically creating a new project with C#. And if you look here, we have running it. So when the project folder is first opened in VS Code, the required access. So this is what they're talking about. So yes, okay. So now to run the application, .NET run. So we have in the terminal, we have .NET run, and basically it runs the application for us. So let's see what happens. Hello world, and that's it. Now we have .NET and C# installed on our PC. I mean .NET, so the SDK. So the most important thing is getting the SDK installed, and that's just it installs the runtime environment and the development kit for you in the same pack. So if you haven't watched that video, go back to my last video and check it out. Okay.